Hindi ko rin po in-expect yung minasabi. Kaya ano po?
To our dear friends from the press. So just a few reminders. I do hope for your cooperation. We will only answer questions related to the series. Okay po? As always, let us maintain a happy and respectful atmosphere. And finally, for purposes of the media conference, we only ask you to ask one question lang po per media outlet. No follow-ups. Okay? Just for this, and I'm sure later you will have your own personal interviews. Okay, simulan po natin. Okay, ang unang magtatanong ay from Abante, we have June Lanin. Over on the balcony? Okay.
Hello, yan. Yan, good afternoon. Congrats Bea and Wilbert. Yan. Bea, ang tagal mo rin hindi nagkaroon ng love team, tapos eto, bigla naging kayong dalawa ni Wilbert. Yan, ano masasabi mo?
Hello. Ay, hi Tito June. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po muna sa inyong lahat. Oo nga po eh. Parang after GMA dati, syempre nagkaroon tayo ng mga projects na nagkaroon ng mga kasama sa show, kasama sa serye. But yung masasabing love team talaga, and ngayon lang ulit, lalo na dito sa Viva. And I'm very excited kasi, hello, napaka-talented, di ba? And dati ko pa naman sinasabi na, dati sinabi ko sa parang media call yata ng Sitaw na I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team. At napatunayan ko yun, very reliable love team talaga. So, and I think, maswerte ka kapag nakahanap ka ng katrabaho at kapartner dito sa industriya na maging ka-love team mo that really takes care of you at hindi lang yung mema, ganyan. So, and I feel very blessed na to do this project with Wilbert ko.
Ang bongga.
Thank you.
Bawal sana ako kasi bawal na ng anything. Pero, hindi ko na susundin ang host. Pero, kasi nakakakilig yung mga sinabi mo, Bea. Parang before, wala kang ganyan sinabi sa mga ibang naka-love team mo. Kapag yung kay Wilbert, diba? Wilbert, touch ka ba? Oo, na para ka bang nasa cloud na yung sa mga pagpuli sa ni Bea. Kasi before, wala siyang ganyan. Wow.
Hindi ko rin po in-expect yung minasabi. Kaya ano po, I think, siyempre, sobrang thankful ko din na si Bea yung mismong love team ko dito sa series na to. And ayun po,
Ako parang nawawala ka sa sarili mo.
Ano po? Thank you. Thank you, sinabi.
Alam mo, parang natatameme siya, Bea, no? Natutorte. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala po akong masabi dito. Hindi, baka nag-breakfast ka na ba? Hindi, baka di ba kumakain dito?
Parang nangihina siya pagkatabi ka niya. Oh my God.
Eh, di nagtabi ang pinakita.
Anyways, good luck sa bagong show niyo. Bea, I'm happy for you kasi talaga naman ang bongga ng career mo ulit. after signing up with Viva. So yeah, congratulations and good luck para sa Golden Scenery of tomorrow.
Thank you, Tito Jun. And very thankful din sa Viva. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako. Kasi talagang inaalagaan naman nila tayo. And very, very thankful. Thank you, Tito.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up from the Manila Bulletin, let's hear from Robert Requentina.
Magandang hapon. Hey, Direk, how would you describe yung chemistry ni Wilbert and Bea? Pinabas yung mga kilig factor sa kanila.
Alam mo, nainis na ako minsan eh. As in, the chemistry is very natural and charismatic. Ang challenge ko is paano sila pagbuhakin. Para lang, alam mo yun, hindi ako ma-affected sa set, gano'n. Kasi yung kwento nitong Golden Scenery, very relatable siya for me. Kaya nakita ko yung past self ko, kaya ako yung from the future na, uy, stop, wag may nasa best friend, gano'n. So, ayun. So, pero yun, parang nagkurutan lang sila, napagano'n na ako eh. Pero parang so stop, wag, gawin natin yan sa eksena, gano'n. So, even walang take, nag-ano pa rin sila, yung chemistry nandun eh. So parang very natural and very free-flowing lang, gano'n. Kaya gusto ko i-stop yung gano'n, in between takes. So,
Comment lang, Bea, kanina yung group shot ng parang class photo. Parang it reminded me of Twin Hearts class of 2012. Kanina nandun yun. Nakita mo ba yun kanina, yung group shot? Di ba bumalik sa yung mga nakaraan? Hindi nasa Twin Hearts yan.
Siguro po, syempre, nagkaroon tayo ng ganong phase and talagang malaking bagay po yun sa akin, sa career ko. And syempre, for sure sa audience na na-touch ng Twin Hearts namin before. But itong University Series, itong Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, it's a really different universe. It's a different story. It's different characters. And I hope na ma-touch din ito yung mga viewers at maka-affect din ito. At hindi na ito actually, the whole series, the whole University Series, sa mga viewers in a good way. Kasi alam ko po at nababasa ko talaga na kumbaga naging malaking parte ng buhay nila ang University Series. And I hope na itong adaptation, it's something good. It's something that will remind them of a beautiful memory. Ayun.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Stars Puto, we have Alan Sanbon.
hello po. Hello. Good afternoon everyone. Congratulations to everyone for our new series. Especially to Bea sa Wilbert. So tanong ko lang, parang i-follow up ko lang yung question kanina. Bakit mo nasabing reliable and hindi lang mema si Wilbert? At kay Wilbert naman, tanong ko na rin, tuhugin ko na rin. Ikaw naman, how do you describe Bea as a love team, di ba? May marami bang aabangang mga intimate scene din kayo dito tulad ng mga nakaraang mga series ng University Series?
Nasabi ko po na very reliable love team si Wilbert kasi he makes sure that I'm not uncomfortable with anything. And to have a love team like that na hindi yung parang kailangan to sa trabaho, no choice ka. Gusto mo, hindi kailangan mong gawin. Love team eh. Pero he's not like that. Talagang ang inaano niya is that kailangan comfortable ako, if I'm okay, if it's not something na nakaka-bother sa akin. And para sa akin sobrang importante po nun kasi it really, parang it strengthens the chemistry somehow. Mas lumalaki yung tiwala. Kumbaga, mas nagiging komportable kayo sa isa't isa kasi, again, make sure niya na komportable ka. Yun. Ayun po.
Wilbert naman, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya bilang love?
Si Bea, sobrang reliable talaga. Kasi reliable ka naman kasi talaga. Saka, dito sa, lalo po dito sa project na to, parang binigay niya talaga lahat. Yung effort, as in, nag-valuable practice po siya. So, sineryoso niya talaga yung as Via, yung character niya dito, yung project namin. And pag nasa set po kami, may eksena kami, lagi po kami nagkakamustuhan, kumusta ka na, okay ka lang ba ngayon? And then every time, I think madaming beses sa isang araw namin tinatanong sarili, happy ka? Happy ka? Kasi parang gusto namin sure na happy kami sa set, sa work, sa trabaho namin, na walang masama yung loob or walang nangyari, na if ever meron man, okay, anong nangyari, anong kailangan natin pwedeng gawin, dapat happy ka always. So, tinatanong din ako, dapat happy ka din always. So, ganun po yung working relationship.
Hindi yata nasagot yung tanong pa about dun sa scene ninyo. May mga abangan ba? Kasi nakita kanina parang, di ba, first kiss, di ba? Yung mga, ikaw ba yung first kiss ko, nakahiga kayo sa kama pareho. May abangan ba mga more than that? Parang intimate scene?
Sa tingin ko po parang sobrang mild po talaga. Like, book po ata namin yung pinaka wala po masyadong intimate scene. Kung meron man, sobrang tame na tame. Ganun po siguro.
Thank you. Congratulations, everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin from Rider PH Studios. We have Jojo Panaligan.
Thank you to the ladies and gentlemen dito sa kanan. Basic question, the name of your character. Tell us about that character. We start with Jairus.
Hello. Bye. Yeah, so I'll be playing the role of Chandra Kyle. Been doing it for how many years now? Pero Chandra Kyle Lopez and love interest din ni Nicole, which is she'll be playing Clara. And brother din ni Haya. So basically, yun lang naman. And after their book, kami naman ni Nicole. So the final and last week. So yeah, get prepared. Medyo nakakaba kasi ito na yung sign na kami na yung next, pero still enjoying yung part na wala pa. So medyo kalmado pa. Pero papunta na tayo sa sa sad part. So yeah, ayun.
My role is gonna be Calix Jace Martinez, and as everybody knows, in the present, he's a student, not of this group, not of their group, pero galing Ateneo naman. Kasama ko naman dun sina Lance and Andre Frost, and in the future naman, in the present, I'm a lawyer. So I don't know yet if there's gonna be any lawyer scene. There's probably gonna be more school scenes, definitely.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ako po dito si Sebastian Vincent Camero, best friend po ni Arkin, and then group po ng Valeria High. So we're gonna start sa book na to kung paano po kami nag-meet ng high school. And then in the latter part, gonna be love interest of me and then gonna be an engineer. Okay.
Hi everyone. My character name here is Clyde J. Ramirez, the oldest one in the group. So yeah, I'm a doctor, and as the eldest, I think I'm gonna be in my college era. I think in Golden Senior Year of tomorrow. So also the love interest of Samantha Vera in this book. That's all.
Hi everyone. I'm playing the role of Samantha Marine Vera, the socialera, social butterfly of the Barkada. Katulad na sinabi po ni Gab, part po kami ng Valeria High nung high school. So mag-start yung friendship namin doon. Actually, different year kami. Like, older kami ni Krisha here kaysa sa kanila. And then, yeah, in the present, model naman si Samantha. Thank you.
Hey guys! So, I play the role of Elise, Amora Elise Ledesma. In this series, I guess you will see her, she's like I believe freshly entering, high school, she's gonna be super young, but in the future, when she goes to college, she becomes a cheerleader and also she becomes the CEO of her family company. Anyways, I'm the little sister of Sean.
Ako po si Krisha dito. Ako po si Ashara Kim Fernandez. They call me Yana. Sa college days nila, kilala siya as the feisty one, the wild one. During high school days, balaban pa din siya, pero di ba masagana yung petching dito. Kasi high school pa lang sila. And dito po, malalaman natin kung paano naging mag-best friend si Sam, yung character ng Sam, and paano naging magbabarkada yung Valeria High, si Bea, Via, Sam, si Selvi, Kiera, and Luna. Ayun, kami yung magkakakilala dito. At si Arkin, sorry na, nasali na. Ayun na.
Ayun po, hello. I played the role of Kiera Inares, and na-mention naman po nila, this is where you're gonna see paano kami magiging magkaibigan. Dito niyo po makikita kung gaano kami kakulit kay Via. Kami ni Luna and Kiera. So it is a very exciting and fresh, energetic energy na makikita niyo sa season na to. So, ayun po.
Alright, that's it, okay? Maraming salamat po. Next up, from Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar. Over here in front.
Bea and Wilbur, congratulations. I think nag-work din yung chemistry niyo because you appear to be really good friends. So, kumusta yung relationship niyo off-town? Can you describe, are you total opposites or you have a lot of things in common?
We're friends po. And, lalo na dito sa series, we got to know each other more. And I think we still are. We still are getting to know each other more. And, pero I admit, dito sa series ito, talagang we became closer po. And, our opposites ba tayo? Parang sucks lang. Depende. Depende sa ano. Well, oo, depende. Depende. Kasi ano siya like, he's very into arts. Ako po medyo maarte lang po ako. Tapos, like, kunwari, sa talagang healthy lifestyle, ako medyo lang po, mga ganun. Pero I think there are things naman na nagkakasundo lang. Di ba? Yun po.
May mga differences po kami and then tinatry namin i-influence yung isa't isa sa mga positive. Like, minsan sinasabihin, like parang encourage kita sa mga healthy things na dapat gawin. Tapos, lagi niya akong pinapakain ng pagkain si Seth. So, lagi siya may pinapatigid ng pagkain sa akin doon. So, and okay naman po kami. We're friends. Sabi niya na, we're friends. So, ayun po, okay naman po kami sa working relationship namin. Magaan lang and I think kasi before medyo may awkwardness kasi wala po kaming chance kasi wala kaming scene together sa other books. Wala din kaming masyadong chance din na to know more about each other. Ngayon po medyo kilala na namin isa't isa sa mga bagay-bagay. Ayun po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Next up from Manila Times, we have Tessa Mauricio Ariola.
Thank you, Eka. I just want to ask, the boys and the girls on this side, since we've heard a lot from Bea and Wilbur already. Syempre, and then some people kind of think, diba, there's too many actors and actresses in the one set. Can you tell us how you guys get along when the cameras aren't rolling? Meron ba competition or is everybody friends? So maybe one or two from the girls and the guys. But maybe you can start with Lance.
Actually, there's no competition at all. We're very excited for Wilbert and Bea because it's their book, and of course, Jairus and Nicole on book 6. And then each book, ako, nung kakapasok ko lang ng AOTD, sobrang naramdaman ko yung support ng bawat isa. And I'm really grateful that all of us have a supportive system, a good working relationship with each other as each book passes by. And for off-cam bonding, me and the boys, we go to the gym. And minsan may mga like eat-outs with the cast. Just to sum it all up, just really grateful for all the support system that the 12 of us have right now. That's it.
Here's anybody else from the boys would like to say something in the making?
I just want to say I'm super grateful and blessed to make friends in this family because we're really proud of, kung sino man may book, sobrang proud kami na sila na yung gaganap and we want to support them as much as successful as to be, and we don't want any competitions because at the end of the day, we're all family here, and the way we bonded off-cam, me and the boys always play basketball and gym. Sometimes, kami na with the girls, we eat. I think one time, nagpa-hotpot sila sa bahay niya nung bonding namin, or sometimes we go out. And yeah, we're, at the same time, we just want everyone to be successful, and we're really proud of Will Bea right now.
The girls naman, maybe two of you as well, if you could answer this question.
I remember I've mentioned this since Safe Skies, since I first became a part of this family. I feel super lucky. My first big project ko, I'm a part of a cast that's so genuine. Walang competition. Everyone is just there to support each other. And because I was new, I appreciated how much they were there for me then. And they were there to guide me and support me, especially because I would get nervous because it's my first time for so many things. But yeah, no competition at all, purely just love. Like, sometimes in between work, we'll just be sitting and eating, like, wait, what's the chismis? Or like, what's the chica? What's an update on your life? And yeah, super, super grateful and proud of Wilbert and Bea. I know it's gonna be so good already from the poster, diba? Right? Yes.
Maybe one more?
Since the first book po, sobrang, I guess, we really learned to get along, and it was really easy. Lalo na nung, I can never forget our Boracay trip. That's where we all really bonded. I mean, in the first book, the first casts, and then as the books, kept going, palaki na palaki yung pamilya namin, and we are lucky enough na napakabait ng mga nakakasama namin lahat. And kasi yung mga iba dito, mga nakatrabaho ko na rin po. So, kumbaga yung mga bago ko po nakakatrabaho, napakabait ng lahat. And yeah, everyone's just really supportive in and out of any show, not just here. Just so much love in this cast. And yeah, walang plastikan. Ewan ko lang kung meron. Hindi, sobra po, malapit po lahat sila sa puso namin. Sana mutual.
Thank you. Well, hope everything stays that way throughout.
Thank you. Okay, very well said. Thank you so much po. Next up from the Philippine Star, we have Dolly Ann Carvajal.
Hi, Bea. Kasi title ng Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. So, ano nakikita niyo sa tomorrow niyo? Sa lucky or individually?
Hi, Tita. Good afternoon po. Sa tomorrow ko, bukas may taping po kami bukas. Ay, mali. Hindi. about, tita? How far na tomorrow?
5-10 years.
5-10 years from now? Shocks, ilang taon na ako noon. Okay. Hopefully, I'm still doing what I love. Hopefully, naayos na namin and maging okay na yung mga negosyo na ginagawa namin. And I think, like, kahit naman sino, in 5 years, 10 years, I think the stability that we want, the stability that I want and I dream of in every aspect of my life, I hope, kung hindi ko man ma-achieve pa yun, I hope I'm close to that. Ganun po. Yun po. Okay. Thank you po. Will nga doon.
Ako ba? 5 years from now...
Nakikita ko ba si Bea sa tomorrow mo, sa future? Or...
Well, I hope po na after Golden Senior of Tomorrow, masundan pa na siya pa din yung makatrabaho ko, leading lady ko sa kung ano mang trabaho. Kasi ayun po, sana po tumagal pa kung happy ka, kung gusto mo. Ayun po. Thank you po.
Okay, sharpshooter as always, Miss Dolly. Maraming salamat po. And now from the Manila Standard, let's hear from Angelica Villanueva.
Hello po. Congratulations po sa Universidad. My question po muna is for Will and Bea. Congratulations, you two. Now that we're done on the 5th installment, so nasa inyo na yung spotlight. Paano nyo na-handle yung pressure from Wattpad readers na may sariling imagination ng mga character nyo?
Kami po, I think we try our best talaga na i-deliver kung ano yung nasa book, yung book accuracy na tinatawag. So, kami mismo with Direct Victor, nagtatanong siya mismo sa amin na ano ba si Via? Ganito ba ang gagawin ni Arkin? Like, lagi niyang minimake sure na as much as possible, mabigay namin kung paano binasa ng mga readers yung mismong book or yung eksena mismo. And then kami din mismo ni Bea, nag-e-effort din kami to be like as close as possible sa mga characters namin. Like, nag-practice siya mag-volleyball, and then talagang pinaghirapan niya talaga yung mga bagay-bagay. Then me, nag-aral ako lalo mag-guitar, I improve my music, gano'n, and ayun po, parang talagang ginagawa namin yung best namin. So yung pressure, nandun naman na yun, pero hindi naman tayo siguro, parang wala siguro sa feeling namin yung parang sobrang pressure kasi ginagawa naman namin yung work namin, kung ano dapat.
Siguro po kasi, nung una pa lang, simula nung cast reveal pa lang ng University Series, nagpapasalamat po ako kasi buong puso akong tinanggap at minahal ng supporters. And, I think si Wilbert din naman, living Arkin nga, di ba? Pero syempre, mas lumalaki yung pressure eh. Kasi syempre, okay, in-approve ka nila, pero ina-expect nila na you deliver. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng, okay, i-approve ka nila, pero kahit anong gawin mo, tatanggapin na nila. Hindi naman pwedeng gawin yun eh. Siguro, mas malaki yung pressure just because it's not like, let us prove you wrong. It's not like that eh. It's, okay, we just wanted to keep on getting better. And kumbaga, yes, in-approve namin kayo, but it doesn't stop there because gusto namin na kapag nag-start yung series, kapag napanood yung bawat episode, i-approve at i-approve pa rin ninyo. So I think the pressure comes from there po. Pero, syempre, ano rin yung motivation din yun sa amin that we always wanna do well, we always wanna deliver good stuff. Kasi, inantay nila to eh. So I hope that it's worth the wait. Ayun po.
Worth the wait naman, as we can see naman sa Last questions. If you were in your portraying Bea and Larkin's character, pipiliin niyo rin ba ang career over love?
Siguro po, personally, ito ang sinasabi ko kasi sinasabi nila madaming mga similarities with Larkin, like singer, songwriter, gano'n. Pero siguro doon po kami magkakaiba. Doon kami mag-iiba sa bagay na yun. Kasi I think sa mindset ko po ngayon, talagang pipiliin ko ang career over love. Kasi I've been waiting for this, I've been working hard, ginagawa ko lahat para sa pangarap ko, para sa goals ko. So, love can wait para po sa akin. So, yun po yung kaibahan namin ni Arkin, if ever.
Para sa akin po, bakit mo kailangan mamili? Kung pwede naman gano'n. I mean, sa akin to Sa akin to. Like kasi, di ba, if it's love, it should support you. Kung ang pagmamahal, kailangan yung sinusuportahan ka, yung talagang kasama mo for that, kahit saan ka magpunta, nasa likod mo para suportahan ka, para i-boost ka, para ano ka, kumbaga, to lift you up and to support you, and para kayong dalawa, hand in hand kayo sa pag-step nyo sa mga pangarap nyo. Parang ganun. Ayun po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Balancing nga. Why not naman, Bea? Okay. Next up, pakinggan natin from TikTok, People's Journal, at Filipino star ngayon. We have Aster Amoyo.
Finally. Ang hirap magtanong, di ba, pag nasa huli ka? But anyway, Aubrey, it's nice to see you again. Finally, nakita ko rin si Lance. Lance, kumusta kayo ni Aubrey? Lalo na nung po-promote sila ni Damon Lee ng song nila together. Kayo Lance muna.
Hello.
Hindi, ikaw munang sumagot. Anong pakiramdam? Kasi nakita mo yung collab team mo, may ibang kasama na nagpo-promote ng kanta.
It's okay, I support her on her career. It's not gonna destroy what we have at the end of the day. So I'm just really happy for her now. She's exploring her music more, and I'm really happy for the collab. And I'm just really excited for her. And yeah, it doesn't destroy what we both have at the end of the day. So that's my take on it. Thank you.
Aubrey, ano masasabi mo doon?
Yeah, katulad po, agree naman ako sinabi niya. Like, sobrang supportive po nila sa akin since day one. Lalo na pagdating sa music ko, kasi ito talaga yung first love ko, yung pagkanta. And yeah, hindi lang niya pinapakita, not just online, but you know, nandyan yung support niya sa akin and kay Day One sa music career namin. So thank you.
Aubrey, may follow-up lang ako sa'yo ha. Granting lang, sabay naman ligaw sa'yo si Lance at saka si Damon Lee. Sinong pipiliin mo sa dalawa?
Wait, kung if ever lang po, like, hypothetical naman.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Okay. Well, see, I don't think na meron kaming chance ni Day One because parang I know him. Like,
napapatakbo siya sa likod.
No, because mas matagal siguro yung friendship na nabuo namin, and I think maybe Lance. Pero, yeah.
Mamimili ka lang, ano nga sa'yo or maayong buntag sa ilmo?
Maayong buntag. Yeah. Thank you po.
Okay. Punta muna ako kasi karamihan ng mga tanong kasi naka-censor kayo. Of course, may tanong din sana ako sa inyo para alam ko maraming magtatanong. Dito muna sa the rest of the other players. Mukhang si Jairus na lang at saka si Nicole ang wala pang parang launching TV series. Is it underway? Hindi pa lang namin alam. O anong pakiramdam na syempre lahat ng mga kasama na ninyo is na-launch na?
Yung like what I've said earlier, yung sa amin ni Nicole, our book is after Wilbert and Bea. So after nung sa kanila, which is the last book, so kami naman ni Nicole, yung Arya siya Days Escape. Yes.
Wow, nakakatuwa naman. Marco, kumusta ka na? Kumusta na ang takbo ng puso mo ngayon?
Okay naman po. Masayang masaya. Nakikita nyo naman, alagang-alaga ako ng The Boys, oh. Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, anak.
Yes po.
Is there a possibility na muli kayong magkabalikan?
Tita, hindi ko na po alam kung anong gagawin ko bukas, so hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know. Yeah. Let fate decide. I honestly don't know. I'm just enjoying life at the moment.
Okay.
Ano mo? Oh! Yeah! Come on, guys.
Kay Gab naman, syempre si Aya. Kumusta na kayong dalawa?
We're good naman po.
Nasaan level na ang pagiging magkaibigan niyo?
We've gotten really close since in the beginning. Siyempre, nag-start kami nung we barely have scenes. Now we made like 3 or 4 shows together, and I'm just glad na she's my love team.
How are we doing? Yeah.
Bakit napapatingin ka sa likod? Ako yung tatanong, nandito kami sa harapan.
Yeah, as Gab said, we're very comfortable with each other now, especially compared to when we first met and started working, of course. It's really nice to learn so much about someone throughout doing so many projects together, and I look forward to doing more.
Risha, solo flight ka ngayon?
Hi.
Kumusta naman kayo ni Jet?
Okay na po, sir. We're still working together for another show naman sa TV5, if I'm allowed to say that. So, ayun. Very busy person po ngayon, si Jerome. Yes.
O iniiwan ka dito, no?
No, he's working.
Oh, he's working.
Yes.
Okay. Si Direk naman. Direk, hindi pa kasi natatanong si Direk. Direk, I'm here. Nandito ako sa lodge, sa balcony. Direk, how was it like working with this team, considering na ito pa yung parang mga hot love teams ngayon ng Diva? Anim na love teams ng Diva. Putting them together in one show.
To be honest, surprise ako na ako ang magde-direct nito, coming from medyo adult comedies, gano'n, ngayon, parang light-hearted na Wattpad story, gano'n. Pero I took it as a challenge kasi hindi naman talaga siya romance, kasi coming of age, siya. And very relatable kasi yung themes niya of dreams and friendship, gano'n. And nung na-meet ko sila and working with them, ako yung parang stranger dito kasi kilala na silang lahat. Ako yung new character sa season na and ang gagaling nila na wala na akong masyadong ginawa na okay na yan, parang alam na nila characters nila. So it was so easy working with them na parang halikolis na ang natural ng vibe at chemistry nila on set. So I'm very, after isang day, gano'n ako na, ang swerte ko sa cast na to kasi magagaling sila. Promise. Like, I didn't have a chance pa makipag-bonding with them at pag-inuman, sana soon, gano'n. Pero I'm looking forward na outside, na we get to know each other, para mas pero okay kayo, ang gagaling nyo eh. So, parang swerte ako na magagaling yung mga cast ko. So, parang, it was easy to direct them. So, and si Wilbert, matagal ko siyang kilala. First film ba? Hindi, second film ko, di ba? Yung Boy Bastos. So parang nakita ko siya growing as an actor. Nung nag-start pa siya, medyo stiff pa, pinapagalitan ko pa siya. Nung over the years na nagkatrabaho kami, nag-grow siya and parang, ay, bumaga nga ako, ay, nag-nuance na si Wilber, may time na siya. And parang comedy, hindi mo maturo eh. So sa kanya, natural, intrinsic, gano'n. And ngayon, with pairing nila ni Bea na, alam mo yun, very natural yung chemistry. So parang, I didn't have to do a lot of heavy lifting sa direction. So, I'm very honored and proud na ito yung cast ko. And yun, and ang ganda ng mga backstories nila ng ibang characters. So may umabot ako sa isang chapter na parang mas naano ko yung nuance at ng pinag-uugutan ng mga characters. Kaya na-excite ako sa characters dito. So thank you guys for accepting me. Wow.
Okay, lastly, sorry ha. So alam ko sumobra ko sa dalawa. But lastly, of course, para kay Bea at saka kay Wilbert. Finally, dumating na siguro ang pinaka-antay-antay yung launching project na serye. Bea, you've been around for quite some time. Nasa GMA ka pa. Pero parang yung dream mo, dito nagkatotoo, dito nangyari. So, anong pakiramdam? Kayong dalawa.
Hi Tita, good afternoon po. I feel really blessed that inaalagaan po tayo ni Viva. And I think hindi lang po ako yung nag-antay dito sa project na to. I think ang mas nag-antay at nag-abang yung supporters po talaga. Simula ng book 1, simula lokal, Hia, LV, Saklay, hanggang Shakira after. Inantay po talaga nila at inabangan nila kasi dito po sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, mapapanood kung paano nagsimula yung pagkakaibigan ng lahat. Kung saan nagsimula yung kung bakit ganun ugali ng ganitong character, kung bakit sinabunutan niya na si Sam, yung mga ganun. Kung sino yung first kiss ni mga ganun. Pero kumbaga kasi, po siya it's not just a story of the Arkin, it's really a story of the whole Valeria High Squad. So, parang hindi lang po kahit yung mga fans ng The Arkin yung nagantay, talagang yung fans din ng mga ibang characters kasi this is the start of everything eh. So, ayun, sana magustuhan po nila. And, ako, marami pa po akong pangarap, tita eh. And, syempre, sa tulong po ng Viva, unti-unti po natin tinutupad yun. And, pero I wouldn't say na, okay, this is a dream come true, tapos na. Parang ako, I just keep on dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. Ayun, believe, survive, starstruck. Ayun po. And, pero ayun, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa sobrang grateful at alaga nila Miss Vernique, Boss Val, Boss Vincent, at syempre ni Boss Vic po. Thank you po, tita.
Congrats. Wilbert.
Yung same tanong na. Thank you. Inantay, I think talagang the stars align sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow kasi nag-chemistry test din ako sa Hero. Yung na-mention din sa akin yung semi na role before, and then nasa iba po yung mga projects ko dati. So parang sinakto talaga na kung kailan kailangan nila nung Arkin mismo. Doon ako napunta sa mga chemistry test, gano'n. And then yung timing po ng mga bagay-bagay, pati yung character na parang hindi na ako masyadong mahirapan. Ipa-imagine sa mga readers na as Arkin, kasi yung kung ano yung ginagawa ni Arkin in the book, yun na din yung ginagawa ko in real life. And syempre with my love team na sobrang accurate din talaga sa book, yung values ni Via, hindi yung values ni Bea. I think ito po yung project na to, isa sa mga project na talagang I can say na talagang dream come true for me. Pero I hope I hope after this meron pa, masusundan pa for us.
May hirit lang ako na tanong sa inyong dalawa. On the spot. Girlfriend material ba? Wilbert, para sa'yo to. Girlfriend material ba si Bea para sa'yo? And Bea, is Wilbert boyfriend material?
Yeah, si Bea po kasi talaga sobrang maalaga. Parang sa amin po, siya yung sobrang concerned bigla pag may nangyari. Oh, ano nangyari sa ganito? Ano nangyari? Para siya talagang nanay ng di yung ano lang. Kasi yung care kasi, so nag-care ko kasi sa lahat. So parang ganoon siya, and then masarap siya magluto. May po kasi kumain, and sobrang ano niya, parang girlfriend material.
Pag-isipan ko, dita. Hindi. Opo naman, di ba? Malagay, takes care of you, make sure you're comfortable. Opo naman.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. We are nearing the end, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, next up, the next question will come from Mark Magadia from Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys. And congrats sa show nyo. Yung question ko lang sa kila Will and Bea, what separates Golden Scenery of Tomorrow sa other story ng University series for you? Parang may pagmamalaki ninyo na kakaiba?
Yung sa amin po, may specific topic na tinatakil about sa love themes. So yun po ata yung unique talaga sa Golden Scenery Tomorrow. And then sa amin lang po ata yung may high school scene. So mas madami po parang kulitan, fun, or parang nakakatawang mga eksena. Feel ko yun po yung kaibahan ng book namin sa kanila.
And in all fairness po kay Guay, yung writer, si Guay Saludes, nung ginawa niya, yung pagkakagawa niya po ng buong university series, kada book, kada series, iba po talaga yung storya. Iba yung issues na tinatakle, iba yung conflict, iba yung hugot ng bawat karakter. So, I wouldn't say na lahat ng story, lahat ng libro magkakapareho. Kasi lahat talaga iba-ibang topic, iba-ibang storyline, iba-ibang mga issues and ano nila. Pero yun nga, dito po sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, yun, number one, yung may establish yung high school life. So, meron high school, may college, tapos magkakaroon pa ng present. Tapos, more barkada scenes. Kasi I think in the previous books, we weren't able to see that much of the barkada scenes na aside from the book 1, yung Rain in España. Pero dito, ayun, yung kulitan, yung fun, yung youth, mararamdaman mo talaga yung high school life mo, ganyan. And siguro yung isa pang it's very relevant, especially here in the Philippines, di ba? Yung mga love team culture, cancel culture, yung mga ganon. Doon matatakel din dito sa libro to. Yun po. Thank you po.
Okay, salamat. Excited na akong mapanood siya. So, good luck guys.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much. Next up from CJ Says Blog, we have CJ Buado.
Hi guys. Congratulations sa series. So, my only question is that for Bea and Wilbert. So, napansin ko parehas kayong gumawa ng horror. Then, may ginawa ba kayong mga adjustments from doing horror and now gumagawa kayo ng parang love team rom-com?
Para sa akin po, wala nang po masyado. Since yung mga horror projects po namin, movies, gano'n, so wala po masyadong parang didikit talaga yung characters sa'yo. So parang dumaan lang po. And then, na-try ko na din po kasi yung mga rom-com. Meron kaming project ni Direct Vic before sa YouTube series. So, hindi na po siya ganun kabago sa akin. Siguro yung parang adjustment ko po siguro, kasi high school, so yung energy ng high school student, matagal ko na kasi nakalimutan po yun. So kailangan siya ibalik yung kulit, tapos yung paawa-awa, gano'n. So yun po yung challenge siguro at adjustment na ginawa ko for this.
Kung kada project, parang mag-a-adjust ka naman talaga kasi iba-iba yung requirement na kailangan mong ibigay po eh. Especially pag horror din, di ba? Iba yung itsura, iba yung atake, iba yung boses, ganyan. And iba yung story. So, pero adjustment, hindi naman adjustment. Kasi kung ano yung hinihingi po, yun yung, kumbaga, yun yung ibibigay. Yan po. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much. And last but not least, we will welcome a question from our TikTok content creator. Let's listen to Kat Ochoa.
Hi po, good afternoon po. Congratulations po with the series po.
Sa balcony area.
Sorry. So yeah, I've been a fan po of the book series since the first book till the last book po. Nabasa ko po yung whole series po. So my question is, are you willing to take the risk? Kasi yung story po ni Bea and Arkin is about friendship po, about best friends. So are you willing to take the risk between a fine line between friendship and love po?
Who is this question for, Kat?
Both po, sa kanila.
For the two of them. Okay.
Sorry, if we're willing to take the risk of like
crossing the line between friendship and love po.
If
you're willing to take the risk of losing the friendship with the sake of love.
Eh bakit sure ka na malulose mo yung friendship kapag naging love, di ba? Paano kung hindi malose? I mean, kasi kaya mo nga, kasi kaya nga parang you would want to, to take one step further from the friendship is kasi kilala mo na yung isa't isa, kilala nyo na yung isa't isa, natanggap mo na yung imperfections niya. Diba? So parang if you're willing to make it na love na, siguro yun yung risk. Siguro yun yung risk na wala naman, parang hindi mo kailangan mag-play safe in a way. Kasi kung mag-play safe ka, magkakaroon ka pa rin naman ng what ifs eh. Magkakaroon ka ng paano kung ganito, paano kung ganyan. Kapag nag-risk ka, at least, wala kang what ifs. Yun nga lang, baka wala ka na rin friend kapag hindi kayo nag-work. Pero yun yung risk na kailangan mong pangatawanan. Kasi it's decision nyo yun pareho eh. Pero kung talagang magkaibigan kayo, I think no matter what, babalik at babalik kayo sa friendship. Maybe not right away, but in God's perfect time. Diba? Thank you.
Kung talagang gusto ko po or love ko talaga yung friend ko, mag-take risk ako kasi siya magsisi. Mas pangit siguro sa pili yung magsisisi ka na parang hindi ka nag-try, hindi mo inamin sa kanya tapos makikita mo na lang siya may kasama. Diba? So, kung yung friendship na yon may lamat man after, kung may nangyari man after mga bagay-bagay, eh, at least sinubukan mo.
Thank you po. Congratulations po.
Yes, I agree. It's better to have tried, love than tried to have, than to not have something like that, diba, direct? Okay, yun na yun. Okay, thank you so much. That concludes our press conference for today.